Hi, my name is Carmen and welcome to Carmen's Kitchen. I'm food lover and I want to share my favorite recipes on this channel. Today's recipe is one of the most famous dishes around the world, one of the classic dishes of beautiful Italy, pasta.
For ingredients, we need olive oil, canned tomatoes, garlic salt, onion, basil, garlic, Italian sauce, and pasta. I will start cutting the onion into small squares. I will cut the basil as well. Now, I will slice my sauce to remove the skin. I will crush the garlic. My secret is to put enough garlic. This will increase the flavor of the pasta sauce. I will start to cook. I put olive oil in my sauce pan. Already being hot the oil, I will place my Italian sauces. And I wait for this to cook properly. And I will add the onion first and also my garlic. I will wait the 3 to 4 minutes. After everything has cooked, I will put my can of pellet tomatoes. I will add water and salt to the sauce. I will mix everything and I will cover my sauce pan. And finally, I will add my basil. I will mix everything and I will let the sauce cook for over low heat about 10 to 15 minutes and the sauce will be ready. I will start by cooking my pasta in water with olive oil and I will let it boil. I will place my pasta to cook and follow the instructions on the package. For me now it's 11 minutes. And finally, I will use a colander for my pasta and I will put a little cold water for a better texture. Right now, pasta is ready.
You will love this recipe for the different kind ingredients like onion, basil, garlic, Italian sausage, and canned tomatoes. I promise it will one of your favorite recipe. If you like my recipe, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.